So today we're doing a little comparison review between the X3 mop extra large and the X3 mop and seeing the differences and going through how to use this mop and what the features are. The first thing I wanted to show you is that it's actually a very long stick that comes with it and adjustable. All these are put together here. You put them together, you can leave one out. If it is too long for you, then you can make it shorter. All of them is going to be pretty long, so it is adjustable in there. Now let's get actually the mop and bucket here and the actual pad on there. So there is a twinge of height difference in the bucket itself, as well as if you look on the sides over here, the extra large is a little bit bigger on there. And the way you actually empty the water from these is through these little things over here where you're gonna open it out and the water comes out of here. So another thing that is very good about this mop and bucket system is that it does keep all the water separated. It is a 3-chamber bucket system here. You could have your dirty water. In here is where you wash the mop. And over here is where the clean water is going to be. So both of them have the 3 separating chambers. And to add water in the middle so that you can actually clean out the mop, you just twist this and it's gonna fill out clean water in here. And then when you're pulling the mop in and out in order for it to get clean in there and pull out all the dirty water and then dip into clean water, it's gonna send the dirty water into the dirty water chamber. So love that about that. It keeps everything very clean over there. And now let's look at the major difference between the two here. This would be the pad for the extra large mop. This would be the pad for the smaller mop here. And if you put them on top of each other, you can see that this one is about a half inch wider and about a 1/4 inch longer in here, so you're going to be able to get more space done in here. Now what I love about this mop system is that when I use it, and I've been using this for a few months now, this one here is new, is that there's no streaks on the floor when you're done. It's just shiny and nice and clean. So I do love this system and I think it works great and definitely worth the money you're gonna spend on it.